I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from its slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It was all in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From a laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash.
They did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They did
smash.
the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included the Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking while we're digging the sounds. Igor on chains backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive when the vocal group, the Crypt Kicker
They
Five,
played the mash.
they played the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
played the mash.
It caught on in a
They
flash.
played the mash.
They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Drax's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
It's now the mash.
It's now the monster mash.
The monster mash.
And it's a graveyard smash.
It's now the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
It's now the mash.
It's now the monster mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the band. And my monster mash, a hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, just tell them boys sent you.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard
Then
smash.
you can mash.
You'll catch on in a flash.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash.
Monster mash. Monster mash.
Get back now. Back there.
Monster mash. Monster mash. An invisible man.